What if I told you that a shiny yellow metal holds the reins of the international financial system? Yes, we're talking about gold. This precious metal has been an object of fascination and a symbol of wealth across civilizations for millennia. Its lustrous appeal and scarcity have made it a cornerstone of economic stability. Going back in history, gold was the backbone of the global monetary system, and countries amassed it to show off their financial prowess. Fast forward to today, and gold still plays a pivotal role in shaping the world's economy. It's more than just a decorative ornament or a safe haven investment, it's a benchmark for global currencies and a tool of power for central banks. Now, what if this golden asset is not just a relic of the past, but a key player in the contemporary financial landscape? Intrigued? Well, you should be. So buckle up as we embark on a journey to unearth the golden secrets of the financial world. Our story begins thousands of years ago, when gold first emerged as a symbol of wealth and power. It was a time when the sheen of this precious metal captivated civilizations, leading them to use it as a medium of exchange. Gold, with its inherent rarity and universal appeal, quickly became a standard for trade and barter, giving birth to the concept of money as we know it today. As societies evolved, so did the role of gold. Its influence extended beyond commerce and trade, seeping into the realm of global finance. Gold began to serve as a benchmark for currencies worldwide, its value representing the economic strength of nations. This period, known as the Gold Standard Era, was a time when every paper note could be exchanged for its equivalent in gold, anchoring the world's monetary systems to this gleaming metal. However, the gold standard was not without its challenges. Economic fluctuations caused by wars, depressions, and other geopolitical events put immense strain on this system. The need for a more flexible monetary policy led to the gradual transition from the gold standard to fiat currencies, where money is not backed by a physical commodity, but by the trust and confidence in the government that issues it. Despite this shift, the allure of gold remained undiminished. It continued to hold sway over the financial world as a safe haven during times of economic instability. Its role as a hedge against inflation and a store of value during turbulent times has solidified its position in the international monetary system. And so, gold's gleaming allure left an indelible imprint on the financial landscape. It transitioned from a mere medium of exchange to a symbol of economic power, from a benchmark for global currencies to a refuge in the face of economic turmoil. The golden past of this precious metal is a testament to its enduring relevance and its potential to shape our financial future. Fast forward to the present and the golden glow hasn't dimmed one bit. Today, gold plays an integral role in the international monetary policies, serving as a benchmark for global currencies. The significance of gold in the financial system is evident in the gold reserves held by central banks around the world. These gold reserves act as a safety net, providing economic stability in times of crisis. When currencies fluctuate wildly, gold remains a steadfast, reliable asset. It's a pillar of strength that economies can lean on. Central banks in particular maintain substantial gold reserves to hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Yet, it's not just the central banks that are fascinated by the allure of gold. Countries too hold gold reserves. They understand the power of this precious metal in maintaining economic balance and stability. It's a universal currency, respected and valued across borders. But the price of gold isn't just influenced by its role in monetary policies or the reserves held by banks. It's also significantly impacted by geopolitical factors. Tensions between nations, political instability, wars, or even rumors of wars can send gold prices skyrocketing. Investors often turn to gold as a safe haven during such tumultuous times, pushing its value even higher. In contrast, in times of peace and stability, the demand for gold may soften, leading to a dip in prices. But even then, gold continues to hold its ground. It remains a trusted asset, a symbol of wealth and power, and a key player in the global economy. The story of gold is one of resilience and endurance. Through centuries of economic transformations, gold has remained a constant, its value undiminished. Whether in times of prosperity or crisis, gold has proven its worth time and again. In the grand scheme of the global economy, gold continues to shine bright. Its role in international monetary policies, its influence on economic stability, and its response to geopolitical factors make it an asset like no other. As we navigate the complex world of finance today, the golden glow of this precious metal remains undimmed. It's not just a relic of the past, but a beacon for the future. As we gaze into the future, the question remains, what lies ahead for gold? Peering into the crystal ball of the international financial system, we see a landscape that continues to evolve, with gold playing a potentially transformative role. Amidst the relentless march of technology and the shifting sands of economic power, gold stands as a beacon of stability, a constant in a world of flux. The challenges are plenty, yet so are the opportunities. As we've seen in the past, economic uncertainties often drive investors back to gold. It's a tried-and-true safe haven, a hedge against turbulent times. In the face of potential future recessions, geopolitical tensions, or even global conflicts, gold is likely to stand firm, retaining its value and offering a safety net to investors. But gold is not just about sheltering from the storm, it's also about seizing opportunities. As the global economy becomes increasingly digital, gold is making its mark in the virtual world. Innovations in blockchain technology, for instance, are revolutionizing the way we trade and own gold, making it more accessible and transparent than ever before. The rise of emerging markets, particularly in Asia, presents another golden opportunity. With their growing middle classes and deep-rooted cultural affinity for gold, these markets could drive demand to new heights. Meanwhile, central banks around the world continue to bolster their gold reserves, underlining the metal's enduring role in monetary policy. Yet, we must tread carefully. The future of gold is intertwined with complex factors, from economic cycles and market sentiment, to regulatory changes and technological disruptions. Navigating this landscape requires a deep understanding of the forces at play and a keen eye for the trends shaping our world. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain: gold is here to stay. This age-old asset, revered since the dawn of civilization, remains a cornerstone of the global financial system. Its luster undimmed, gold continues to captivate us, promising a future as golden as its past. In a world of economic uncertainties, could gold be your safe haven? As we traverse the labyrinth of the global financial system, we're seeing a resurgence of gold as a strategic asset. It's not just a shiny metal adorning jewelry anymore. It's taking a prominent place in investment portfolios, claiming its spot as the knight in shining armor, ready to shield from the unpredictable swings of the market. What's driving this renewed interest in gold? Well, it's a mix of factors. On one hand, there are concerns about economic uncertainties. The world economy often feels like a roller coaster ride, and gold offers a comforting sense of stability. It's like the firm ground beneath your feet when everything else seems to be shaking. On the other hand, there are worries about inflation. As prices rise, the purchasing power of money falls. It's like trying to fill a leaking bucket. You put in more and more, but it never seems enough. Gold, however, has historically maintained its value over time, acting as a hedge against inflation. It's the sturdy bucket that holds its water. Moreover, shifts in global monetary policies have also contributed to the growing interest in gold. These shifts can create waves in the financial markets, but gold can act as a buoy, bobbing up and down, but never sinking. But that's not all. Gold has also proven itself as a hedge against market volatility. When traditional assets like stocks and bonds take a hit, gold often shines brighter. It's the lighthouse in the storm, guiding the way when other lights flicker and fade. With the advent of technological advancements like blockchain, gold trading, and ownership have become more accessible. It's like having a golden key that can open doors to new opportunities. As we navigate the dynamic world of modern finance, gold might just be the compass you need. Its historical resilience, enduring value, and potential for growth make it a compelling addition to any investment strategy. But like any investment, it requires careful consideration and informed decision-making. So, will you let gold guide your way? So, we've journeyed through the ages and across the globe, all in the name of gold. We've seen how this luminous metal has woven itself through the tapestry of our history, shaping economies, instigating wars, and anchoring currencies. We've seen it evolve from a physical standard to a symbol of economic stability, standing firm amidst the fluctuating tides of the financial world. Today, gold continues to influence global monetary policies and remains a trusted hedge against market volatility. Its resurgence as a strategic asset in this uncertain economic climate only underscores its enduring relevance. From the gold reserves in the vaults of central banks to the digital gold on blockchain platforms, its influence is pervasive. As we navigate the intricate landscape of modern finance, we are constantly reminded of the golden rule. He who has the gold makes the rules. In the end, we realize that the golden thread running through the fabric of finance is as strong as ever.